Gonna do a little repair job today. My little toolbox here, this handle is obviously not gonna do much good. It is broken right here. So that little pin right there is broke off. So that whole thing's gonna have to be replaced. Luckily I just ordered one online. It looks roughly similar. I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I may not even have to drill any new holes. It looks like it's gonna fit. So I'm gonna pop that off there and see if I can't fix my toolbox. It'll be the first time this toolbox has worked in a lot of years. Or at least the locking mechanism on it. It still works fine. It's just the locking mechanism is garbage. Well, first off, I guess we'll drill out these holes and see if we can't pop the new one in place. So old piece is done. Making room for the new handle. It's going to work all right. I think the holes and everything's going to line up just perfect. I just got to get the pop rivet gun out and put it back together. Well, so the new handle is installed. Looks like it's going to work pretty well. My little cheapo Harbor Freight pop rivet gun worked just fine. I was kind of wondering whether it was going to be worth a darn or not, but it actually worked okay. Only thing I cannot do, I'm not going to be able to finish installing it because I need an Allen wrench right there, and I did not have all of the tools loaded back in my toolbox yet. Some of them are at home, some of them are in the barn, and I just haven't gotten them in here yet, so I'm not going to be able to finish the job today. I'll have to finish it a later date. All in all, the project was pretty simple and didn't take me just 5-10 minutes. It'd been nice if I'd have had my Allen wrench set to where I could finish the damn job, but you know, that's the way my stuff works. Never have all the stuff I need when I need it. So anyway, I can finish the job now. Like I said, it took 5 minutes, and I think it was about a $15 fix, something like that. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than going out and buying a new toolbox. So I will probably add the little clip of me replacing that and just making sure it's going to work. But at least now I'm going to have a lock on my toolbox, and I'll be able to put a little more expensive stuff in there without worrying about it going missing. Y'all take care.